wanted to tell you that you've been such a good friend to me all throughout these years in HP, and I've been really so close to you. And during that time, I remember the good times we had in the pantry, especially every time you kept pulling my leg with Ranjay and Salan and Divya. And you've been such a good friend, especially when I came to your house, and your mom, so sweet. You guys really made me feel so at home, especially when I had no one, no one close to me in Bangalore. And I just want to tell you that you've been really, really a very good friend to me. And on this day, I just want to wish you a very, very happy birthday. Get a boy fast and get married quick so that I can come for your wedding. But otherwise, I just love you, girl. And just remain the way you are all throughout your life. And don't forget to keep in touch, especially on Orkut, because you never send me any scam messages. Only I have to send you every scam message every time. So, just love you the way you are. One big hug to you.
About you, you're a sweetheart, you're a darling, you're my bestest friend, and you're really sweet and nice. You're adorable. You're somebody whom I really care, and I'm so happy you're a part of my life, because you really mean a lot to me, and you've been through my thick and thin times. You're my bestest person ever I can trust on so many things, and it's really nice that we've had the best and the worst times. Things keep happening, but yes, we are always there for each other. And now the countdown is begun. 3 more days for your birthday, and this is like a special day for all of us. We've just been waiting for this. All of us are so excited. We have so many surprises for you, and now I'm going to sing a song for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rashmi. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. And I really hope all your dreams and aspirations come true. You get the best of things, and you have the greatest year ahead and the best day ever. Have a fantastic birthday. All our best wishes are with you. I just want to tell you that one thing which I always believe in: life is a camera, face it with a smile, and you keep smiling. There shouldn't be any hardships this year for you. I'm sure it wouldn't be also. May you just like get the best of opportunities and just be like the vice president or something like that. I know it's too soon, but yeah, nevertheless. And remember one thing, I'm always there for you and love you, Lord.
Firstly, many, many happy returns of the day. Hope you get everything in your life. What do you want? What do you want? Okay. Hope all your aspirations and dreams come true this year and all through your life. And yeah, firstly, I'm really glad for being your friend. For you being my friend, and for supporting me all through these 4 years. And all the time we spent together in DD, all those chair fights, a special chair fight, and Safola, TJF, all those days in Corner House, months together, and then in HP, beautiful days, amazing time, and all those calls, fights over the calls for whatever bets we have as of now. Me becoming something really great, and you becoming something really great. I know you'll definitely become something really great. I know I'm really falling short of words now for the first time, I think. And yeah, nothing much. That's it. Today is Eid, so I want to dedicate a shairi specially written for you. That is, here it goes. It's only for you, Toddy. Okay. It goes like this. निकला ना करो रमज़ान के महीने में, बाहर निकला ना करो रमज़ान के महीने में, कोई रोज़ा ना तोड़ दे, कोई रोज़ा ना तोड़ दे तुझे चांद समझकर. So this is especially for you, written by me, and that's it. Have a nice time, amazing time, rockin' time, and all the best for your future.
Yash, I'm Mukesh, hope you remember me. Okay, this is one of the faces whom you can't easily forget. I've got a small song for you. It might sound funny, might not. Happy birthday to you. You were born in the zoo with the monkey and the kangaroo. Okay, that's it. Have a fantastic year ahead. All the best for everything you do. Be good, Mukesh. That's it.
Hi, happy birthday from the entire team at Paris. We wish you a very happy and prosperous new year. We've seen you for many, many years now and we've seen many of your shopping trips. We hope that you come back and see many, many more with us. Thanks.
Hi Rashmi, wish you a very happy birthday.
Hi Rashmi, how are you? Many more happy things of the day. It's nice.
Don't think too much.
Get a video of everybody who is very close to you. It's nice to say something about you. There's a lot to say, but when are you going to get married? Have you find your suitable boy for yourself? That's our usual jabber exchange. Have a great year and day ahead.
Hi Rashmi, this is Prajakta. I'm sure you remember me anyways. Wanted to wish you for your birthday. Have a very nice day. I don't think I'll be there for your birthday party, but please do enjoy. One of the things I'd really like to say is you're probably one of the most easily approachable girls I've ever met. So stay the same, have fun, happy birthday again. Bye.
Here's the Yati gang wishing you many more happy returns of the day.
Hey Rash, how you doing? Hope you're having a good day and I'm wishing you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a real